Are you actually ready to create your products and collections? If you think the answer is yes, then welcome to the right video. If it's a no or a maybe, then I need you to go back to the channel and watch the previous videos so you can follow along with the tutorial. So let's dive in. We're back at the dashboard of Shopify, and we're gonna go ahead and click Add Product right on the setup guide, or we can go to the top left corner and click on Products. This is where all the products that we have will be listed, and we can go ahead and select these ones and set them as a draft, because these are sample products that were created by Shopify, and it's gonna go on draft. And now we can go ahead and add our own new products from the picture vault that you already downloaded. If you don't know where to get it, go watch the previous videos. So we are gonna add our products here, the title, the description, the pictures, set the price. But let's first of all gain some inspiration by looking at other people that sell something similar. So in our case, we're trying to build a clothing brand. So let's look at other clothing brands and see the way they name their products. This is also part of product research. By looking at the way the market is moving and what the successful people are doing, we can learn from them and use that even when it comes to our product listing. So right here we have Lulu's. And you could see the way they named their stuff. My favorite day, navy blue, floral. Okay, good times only. Now you get an idea of how they name their products. Let's look at another one, Pink Lily. And you can see the way they named theirs as well. And this gives us inspiration on how to name ours. We're looking at the price points and stuff, but this is not a video about product research. So let's head on over back to our store. And here we have our products from the picture vault. I'm going to select the first two, simply drag and drop, or you can just click on where it says add, and it's just going to open up the file folder and you select wherever the files are on your computer. As for the title, we're going to enter Chloe's Uptown Funk dress, and Shopify has this cool feature, which is the Magic Writer. We're going to generate a text using the Shopify Magic Writer. So all you have to do is feed it in with some keywords. The tone could be playful. I like using playful for something like a description like this. So playful, generate text, and boom, here we go. You can also hit as many times as you want to generate multiple versions. And then when you find what you like, you can just click on keep, and then you can use that as your product description. So we're going to keep this one. And then moving forward, we're going to add the pricing. We can add a compare price. So compare price is what is like a discounted price. So let's say you were selling something for $75.99 and then you're now putting it on sale for $65.99. This is where you're going to set that pricing. Then cost per item, $7.50, and then it just automatically tells us what our profit margin is. Inventory quantity, this is our location where store is located. We're going to put in 10. Continue selling when out of stock. You can leave that alone. Shipping, you can put in the weight, 0.2 pounds. That's the weight of the item. These are things depending on your product. So the variants here, we're going to make it small, medium, large for sizing, and we're going to hit done. And there we go. Everything is ready. Leave the search engine listing the way it is. And we're going to hit save. And boom, we have created successfully our first product. Okay, let's preview it. This is one thing with Debutify, and this is just for this theme. It usually has this option set by default, and we're going to go in and fix it. To fix it, we're going to go over to the online store, the sales channel on the left, and click on themes and customize. And what you're looking for is to turn off what a feature called product image crop. So let's go to the settings and scroll down to where it says Debutify standard add-ons. Click on that and scroll down till you see product image crop. Okay, product image crop. And let's see, where is it? Where is it? Oh, there we go. All right, now that is turned off, and we can go ahead and hit save to save our progress. And let's look at a preview one more time. Look at the preview, reload. And remember, this is just for Debutify alone. Boom, now it's looking good. We can see the full picture. All right, the sizing, everything looking good. Okay, all right, now it's saying notify me. That's because we need to fix the quantity. Let's go back to the products. If we open up the product right now, we can see that on the sizes, on the variants we created right here, you can see that we didn't add any quantity for the medium and the large. So this is where you fix it. So let's say 5 for each of those. 5, 5, 5, and 5. And save. And we're going to check to see. And boom. All right. Looking good. So we're going to go ahead and cut this video and fast track it and create all the products and then continue from there. So all the products have been created. Let's go to the filter up top and click on active, and we can see all the active products. We've already created these products. So that's it. Now let's go ahead and create our collections. So we're going to go to the collections on the far left, click on collections. By default, you have this homepage collection. We're going to go to the top right and click on create collection. And now we can set it to, let's create the bestseller collection. And we don't have to put any description. Now we're going to switch from automatic to manual. So with automated setup, you can do like product tags. And if you already created product tags, this is like next level stuff. It's not really that complicated, but you can get a tutorial on that later. And hit save. Now the collection is being created, but it's empty. So let's click on browse to add actual products in there. Boom. Now all the products are added. I just added 8 products, and I'm going to sort them manually and rearrange them the way I want them to be rearranged. So that's optional. Now let's view this collection. Okay, look at that. The website is coming together nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and create other collections. All right, all the collections are created. We have 3 collections that we've created. The next thing we're going to do is go to the online store. We're going to hit customize on the themes. And then we're going to scroll down to our structure that we created from the beginning. So if you are lost, go back and watch the previous videos. So click on featured collection, and it's going to pop up. Select the collection you want to showcase there. And we're going to select our bestseller collection. So that's it. Our bestseller collection is being showcased right now, and you can see the site is beginning to come alive. Now you can rename the heading, shop our bestsellers. And we can scroll down, take a look, check it out. Now the next section is featured content. So I came up with this idea of 100% vegan. I don't know if that means anything, but you can actually use Shopify AI tools and type in certain prompts, and it's going to generate something for you. So you can take that section off, but let's go ahead and click on the last part, which is the collection list. And collection list, we can say our collections. You can change the heading to anything you want. And let's see. We're going to go back to the collection list and then click on each of those cards and add the collection that we want. So we created 3 collections. So dresses, save. Then we're going to go back, select the next one, and let's select the second collection. We can do sets and select, then go back 1 step again. And then the final one, we're going to change that collection, select, and go to bestseller. I mean, if we have other collections, we can select something different. But this is all I created. Hit save, and let's scroll down and see what our site is looking like. Okay, recently viewed, we can turn that off, but it's okay to have it. And look at this, the website is coming alive. Now let's check out the mobile view. Okay, looks good on mobile. Everything is kind of coming together nicely. For your own actual store, you'll be taking your pictures and listing your products, entering the prices, creating the variants. And the more you do these things, the more conversant you will be with the Shopify platform. And they're pretty straightforward. Like, you don't have to overthink it. Now, as for the features with Debutify, one of the things I love is that Debutify has a lot more tutorials in their help center. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to make reference to the prior videos, and that will help you understand what we're talking about and to navigate this whole process. So thank you for sticking with me with this video, and I will see you in the next one. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you will get notified every time we drop a video that could help you with your e-commerce journey. Let's go.